Last night saw the first part of a new documentary.
We're interrupting programming at the request of the Metropolitan Police. The time is 21:42 Greenwich Mean Time. It's the 6th of November. This interruption is for London only. The Metropolitan Police has informed us of a marauding firearms attack in Vauxhall. This has taken place inside the Fire nightclub and around Vauxhall Station. Please avoid this area. Those nearby are advised to shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights and music, and hide in a spot not visible from any outside window. Silence your phone. If you believe you are in immediate danger, run. Make sure your escape route is clear before proceeding. Insist others come with you, but don't let their indecision slow you down. Armed police are attempting to deal with the incident at the nightclub. Follow their instructions without question. They may be unable to distinguish you from an attacker. They may treat you firmly. The first priority of the police is to neutralize the threat to prevent further casualties. While doing this, they will not stop to assist casualties. Specialist fire brigade and ambulance service teams are on the way. They will enter the dangerous zone to treat and rescue casualties. National Rail and TfL services running through the Vauxhall area may be disrupted. There are no trains running through Vauxhall Station. The public are advised to go in, stay in, and tune in. Go indoors, stay there, and stay tuned to radio and TV broadcasts for more news. This is an emergency broadcast regarding attacks occurring in London. This broadcast commenced following reports of a marauding firearms attack in Vauxhall. This attack is ongoing. Police are on scene. Several explosions have now occurred in Soho. These have occurred on the streets surrounding several bars and nightclubs, and have injured people moving between venues. We do not yet know if this is linked to the previous attack. The first emergency vehicles have arrived to the site of these explosions. Many casualties are reported. More help is en route. We do not yet know the cause of these explosions. The advice remains the same. Go in, stay in, and tune in. Please do not telephone 999 or call hospitals in order to inquire about loved ones. They will not have this information, and you will be preventing them from responding to the emergencies. Please avoid making telephone calls. If too many people make calls, this could overwhelm the network and stop emergency communications getting through. Please use SMS text messages to contact loved ones. These take up less space on the network. Information regarding casualties will be given as soon as possible, so stay tuned to TV and radio. The police will be establishing a casualty bureau that relatives can ring. This will be published here when it is ready. We are now collaborating with Reuters to inform relatives that loved ones are safe. All free-to-air TV stations in the UK are too. Names of those who have reported themselves as safe will scroll across the screen. To let a loved one know you are safe, text your name and the word SAFE to 0800 999. Little new information has come from either incident site, police.
An explosion has occurred in an office building in the Covent Gardens area. The cause is unknown. The advice remains the same: get in, stay in, tune in. This explosion disrupted our broadcast as a result of damage to telecommunication equipment. This broadcast may cease if further incidents occur. Make sure you have access to a radio. Emergency measures are in place to prevent further attacks. TfL have stopped all services in zones 1 and 2. Hospitals, schools, and care facilities are now on lockdown. Many are under police guard. Operation Tempora has been activated. Military personnel are being deployed to guard key sites across London. Please do not be alarmed. This is to free up police to perform skilled policing functions. ITV will get back to you as soon as we have more information. Please continue to follow the advice. Report any suspicious people or incidents to the police. ITV has received new information regarding the attacks in London. The Metropolitan Police have informed us that the firearms attack in Vauxhall has now ended. The offender was shot by armed police. London Ambulance have stated that life-saving operations are still underway. The London Fire Brigade have informed us that the explosions in Soho have led to the partial collapse of 2 buildings and caused multiple fires. According to police and fire investigators, the assumption at this time is that multiple improvised explosive devices were detonated in the area. No group has yet claimed responsibility for the attacks. London Ambulance have stated they are unable to release casualty numbers at this time as life-saving operations are still underway. However, they have informed us that many people have been injured, some seriously, and that people have been killed. The Metropolitan Police have informed us that the Sonnekraig Division, a neo-Nazi proscribed terrorist organization, has claimed responsibility for today's attacks in London. In a statement sent to the Associated Press, the division claims to have targeted London's LGBT community. The attack on Fire nightclub, a prominent, gay nightclub in Vauxhall, was performed by a division member. According to their report, they report setting of multiple bomb types in Soho, including fire bombs and nail bombs. The explosion in Covent Gardens was targeting the London Office of Mermaids, a charity aimed at supporting transgender youth. Reports of police raids on the homes and meeting places of suspected division members up and down the country are coming in. In an official statement, the Met Police Deputy Assistant Commissioner for Counter-Terrorism, Dean Hayden, said, police operations are already underway to bring those responsible for these attacks to justice. With this information now known, Police services are advising LGBT social venues and organizations to secure their premises. There is no information suggesting further attacks, but police stress that the public should remain vigilant. The advice for the public remains the same: go in, stay in, tune in. ITV will return when we have new information for you. Please continue to monitor news broadcasts.